Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to take screenshot. To take screenshot on your smartphone, you can use three methods. Firstly, you can take screenshot via pressing power button and volume down button simultaneously. Next, you can use quick screenshot gesture, which is swiping down 3 fingers through the screen. In the end, you can take screenshot by going to tool drawer and tapping on super screenshot button. Select screenshot and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.